Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on our channel. Today we're taking a look at a special tool which is LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If you're a salesperson, a marketer, or a business professional, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is one of the most powerful tools to help you find leads, build relationships, and grow your business. Here's a breakdown of how it works and whether it's worth it. So, firstly, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a premium LinkedIn tool designed for advanced lead generation. Unlike regular LinkedIn, it gives you advanced search filters to find the exact people or companies you want, lead recommendation based on your preferences, and real-time updates on your saved leads and accounts. Also, integration with CRM tools to track outreach. Basically, it's LinkedIn on steroids for sales professionals. So you can find prospects by company size, industry, role, location, and more. Sales Navigator suggests potential leads based on your activity and saved accounts, and also send direct messages to people outside your network, even if you're not connected. You can also have multiple CRM integrations like syncing your leads and activity with tools like Salesforce and HubSpot, and you can get notifications when the lead changes jobs, posts, updates, or engage with content. So basically, it saves hours of research with advanced search filters, lets you reach people outside your network with InMail, keeps track of your leads in one place, and also provides insights that help personalize outreach. But on the downside, monthly subscription can be expensive if you're a small business or individual, and some features may be overwhelming at first for beginners, and InMail's success depends on your messaging and approach. So it should be used by sales teams targeting specific industries or roles, entrepreneurs and founders looking to connect with decision makers, marketers who want to build B2B relationships, and also anyone serious about lead generation and networking beyond basic LinkedIn. So LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a powerful tool for anyone serious about growing their business through LinkedIn. It's especially useful if you want precise targeting, insights on leads, and the ability to message prospects directly. While the cost may seem high, the time saved and opportunities gained often outweigh it for professionals focused on results. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.